Hey, I had been hearing about KnitCrate for a while. These yarn subscription boxes. You can get a crochet and or knit pattern along with some gorgeous yarn. And so I got my first box and I can't wait to try it. My friend sent me a coupon code, so that's why I went ahead and went for it. So watch me unbox this box. Okay, so here is my KnitCrate box. I'm so excited. This is my first one and I've never used this product before, but my friend shared with me a discount code and I just had to try it. I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, missed it. Okay, this is a socks pattern, I think. Okay, cabin retreat. We welcome both new month and a year. Let's take some time to recharge, indulging a little in a cabin retreat. Bundle up for snowy midday hikes. I love midday hikes. Maybe not in the snow, but I do love hiking no matter what. Where bright skies bring depth with rich, woodsy hues. Long winter nights have us reaching for toasty, warm handmade scarves and shawls to keep away the chill and start a new project. We embrace the peace, serenity, and cozy of a cozy cabin in the woods with this month's yarn. Okay, this is exciting. I'm really excited. Okay, so we got to download the patterns here. And I'm making crochet socks. Okay, I think these knit ones are cuter, but this is the crochet ones where you can crochet these scarves. Double down. Okay, so you can, there's a little discount code here. Open it up. Oh, this is a beautiful, look at this yarn. It is like sparkly. I'm gonna make myself some sparkly socks. Okay, this is Uru yarn, flicker sock yarn by KnitCrate in the colorway Lodge. It is merino wool, nylon, still in a fingering weight, an eye hook, gauge. Okay, so I'm gonna have to gauge this. I haven't ever used fingering weight yarn. I've never made socks before. I was kind of hoping it would come with a hook, but I think I hopefully have a hook in eye. We have a J. And look, here are some cabin stitch markers. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, look at that pine cone. These are adorable. I'm really excited to use this yarn. I don't know when I'm going to be able to make my socks. I'm working on a couple things right now, but hopefully I can get these made up really soon. They're going to be these socks, but I guess kind of in that colorway. This looks like the shiny socks that I have. So I'm excited to try this. I'm going to have to download the pattern here. But yeah, have you guys ever used KnitCrate before? I'm excited to give it a try and use this yarn. Ooh, it is shiny, look at that. Okay, so I bought this box with my own money, my own pennies. KnitCrate did not send this for me for any sort of promotion. I just wanted to try it out. And I used, you know, a link from my friend and got a little coupon code. So if you click the link down below, you also can get a coupon for $15 off, I believe it is. And then they'll give me like a coupon as well to use for my next box. Okay, so if you would like to try a kit like this, go ahead and go to knitcrate.com using my little link down below. I would really appreciate it. Can't wait to show you these socks. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos and other crochet and yarn related content. Share this video with a friend if you think they'll like KnitCrate too, or like any of my other content. And go ahead and hit the subscription or the bell so that you can be notified of my next video. Can't wait to show you what's next.